He's got wheels, but he's got no tires.
A 400 metros, gira a la izquierda.
¿Dónde están tus gomas?
Sicilia.
¿Dónde tú tienes tus gomas?
Allá en casa.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to my channel, I Need Vacation. For the last 5 years, I've been living in Dominican Republic, but now I decided to travel and show you the most beautiful part of the world, which is Caribbean. Hopefully you're gonna like it. You're gonna discover new places with me. I'm gonna show you the best beaches in the world. Also, you can meet new people and new cultures. Hopefully you're really gonna like it. Subscribe to my channel and peace out.